Yeah, just a second. Who's there? Lulu? Can I help you? I don't know if you heard me, but I kept saying, who is it? I'm sorry about that. But I was wondering if you can tell me where I can find Miss Luluvetta. Lulu's not going to be back for a couple hours. I'm not even really sure where she went, so you're going to have to come back later. I'm sorry. Sorry I can't help you. You see, it would have been in your best interest to help me. Whoa, what's that? Wait! Mr. O'Hagan, you had that one coming to you for a very, very long time. Listen, Rick. Oh my God. Oh my God. Richie. What took you so long, Miss Luluvetta? Who the hell are you? My name is Ingrid Smirnov. Or you can call me your worst nightmare. Bitch. You shouldn't have done that, Luluvetta. Come on, bitch. I'm right here, baby. Let's go. We can do this. You're absolutely right, Luluvetta. We can do this. Okay, listen, honey, just calm down. What are you doing in my house? I don't understand what's going on here. No, I don't even know who you are, honey. I don't know what your problem is. What are you doing with a gun in my house and stuff? You need to... Listen, honey, just calm down, okay? Just calm down. Calm down. Trust me, Miss Luluvetta. I'm quite calm. But you're going to have to pay the consequences for striking me. You and I have a lot to discuss. Listen to me. There is someone at the door. You make one little sound. And don't forget, I have 2 little bullets waiting for your nephews. So I suggest you don't get stupid. Hello, may I help you? Oh, hi, I was looking for Lulu. I'm sorry, but Lulu's not here right now. I'm the new sitter. She hired me 2 days ago. She's had some important doctor's appointment to go to, and I'm going to pick the kids up from Latchkey in a few minutes, so I'm sorry, but, I can leave a message for you if you'd like me to. Oh, you know what, that won't even be necessary, because, I'm just going to stop by later on tonight after I run my errands, so. But thank you anyway. Don't worry. There was no problem at all, Madeline. You have a good night.
You too, hon. I'll talk to you later.
I never told you my name, lady. When I was a little girl, and I got out of line, my mother used to discipline me by making me scrub the toilets. Honestly, Miss Lulu Vetter, you look quite at home scrubbing those toilets. What happened to you, Miss Lulu Vetter? You used to be fun. You used to be original. What happened to you?
Listen, I don't know what your story is. I don't know what... But did you have to kill Richie? Did you have to shoot him? Did you have to do that?
In good time, my dear, in good time, I will tell you everything you need to know. And did I have to kill Richie? No, I didn't have to kill Richie. I just felt like it. It was fun. You know, I used to be a big fan of your YouTube channel. I used to love watching your Lulu interviews, your tributes, your Lulu minis. But what happened to you, Lulu? What happened to the fun Lulu? The fun Lulu who used to love dancing, who used to love singing with the children. Now you've become nothing but trash. The way you speak, your language, everything you've done has been nothing but trash. So basically I've come to, I don't know what you say, fix the problem.
So are you gonna tell me that this whole thing, that you coming here and shooting Richie in the head, is because of a YouTube channel? Seriously, honey? Are you that deranged? Seriously?
Deranged? No, sweetie. I'm not deranged. I am very, very, very intelligent. I'm the one who's behind the 11-11-11. But your ego did not let you believe that anything serious was happening. You thought it was no big deal, so you ignored it. Do you know how I put that little message on your front door? I didn't do it myself. That simpleton, Gus. I told him I was a fairy godmother. He believed me. And what a small price to pay. I promised him a candy bar. I told him he was going to do finger painting on the door, and he was more than happy to do it. So I gave him a little fake blood from Party City. He put it on his finger, and I told him to write the numbers 11-11-11. You know, a little warning that I was coming. But of course, your ego, Richie's ego. You didn't believe anything serious was about to take place, so you did not heed the warning. Your mistake. But from this point on, you're going to do everything I tell you. You're going to do Lulu interviews again. You're going to do tributes again. You're going to continue to do the videos for the collab channels, for the YouTube refugees, for the 5,000 rejects. But you're going to do the videos the way I tell you to do them. No longer are you going to do things your way. From now on, they will be done my way.
What if I tell you that I'm not going to do anything you want me to do? What if I tell you to go straight to hell, bitch?
Well, if you do not do what I tell you to do, Lulu Vetter, then your nephews will suffer the consequences of your actions. Don't you threaten my nephews. Don't you dare. Look up.
I'll do what you say. You don't go anywhere near my nephews.
Well, I'm glad we understand each other now, Luluveta. And in time, you'll come to realize that I have come to save you from yourself. Things are going to be different from this point on, Luluveta. So you and all your friends on YouTube better get used to it.